This simple system will be able to streamline your content creation process so that you will be able to get a month's worth of high quality, high converting video and written content that can be used across multiple channels, and do this in hours instead of days. All right, so hour number one should be spent researching your content. The first thing that I do is I go out to my Fathom and I go out to my notes from all of my sales meetings, and I look at the common problems that people are describing inside those sales meetings so that I can create content that relates to those problems. Then I go out to Instagram and TikTok, where all the viral trending content starts, and I look at hooks and I look at formats and I look at what is capturing people's attention. Then what I can do is I take those things that are capturing people's attention plus the pain points that my customers are telling me while they're on my calls, and I mesh them together so that I can create content that is both relevant and actionable for my potential clients. At this point, I will come up with 4 topics that I want to speak about in detail. And those 4 topics are going to be my long form YouTube videos. So the second hour is spent outlining those YouTube videos. I'm going to organize all the bullet points that I want to hit on in each of the videos, get it out on paper so that I can get ready to film. And then the third hour is me actually filming those YouTube videos. It takes me somewhere around 15 minutes to film each video. And after the cuts, they end up being somewhere between, 3 to 6 minutes long. All right, so the next 30 minutes or so needs to be you organizing your content and getting it over to your production team. You need to have video editors. You should not be editing video on your own. It takes way too long for you to do, and it's not that costly to outsource it. So from those long form videos, what you want to do is instruct your team on how to cut you 3 to 4 shorts. If you have a really good team and you trust them like I do, I could say, here, just cut me 3 clips from this video. Or if you want to have a little bit more control over the process, tell them exactly what you're looking for, go through the videos, look at which clips you want, and give them the more detailed instruction. All right, so at this point, we've put about 3 to 4 hours into it. The next hour needs to be spent taking your long form videos and repurposing them into an email newsletter. You could use ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot, or there's a tool called Magic Post that I really like. And I take my video transcripts, I drop them into the AI, and AI will spit me back the first draft of my newsletters. Now, all I need to do is go make a couple tweaks for the language, it's a little bit of formatting, add some call to actions, and boom, 1 hour later, and you've got 4 email newsletters done. The next step is to take all your video transcripts, both short and long form, and throw them into AI. This will write first drafts for every single caption that you need to add to your videos, as well as create you additional written posts for LinkedIn. You will be able to produce a bunch of written content to go along and complement your videos. This part usually takes me anywhere from 90 minutes to 3 hours. So when you do the math on that, you're talking about less than a day's work to create a month's worth of content that goes across multiple channels. I'm able to get 24 posts that go out to my LinkedIn. I'm able to get another 20 posts that I could put out on Instagram. I get 16 videos for YouTube, 4 long form and 12 shorts, and I get 4 newsletters. When you build this content machine, you will never have to worry about content again. You will never be stressed out about where your next piece of content is coming from. So if you are watching this video right now and you are feeling like, hey, this is something that I really need to set up for my business, but it's also a little bit overwhelming and you don't know where to start and you don't have a team, just reach out to me. Shoot me a DM, write me a comment, subscribe to my channel, send me a message, whatever it is, reach out. Let us help you get started. We know how to do this. We can help you build both your long, short form content and start putting together this engine so that you don't have to be worried about content. You can consistently be attracting dream clients and enjoying life at the same time. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.